Okay, I filled it with water, and there you go. So, like I said before, I had accidentally added too much fabric softener. So I'm doing it the way the directions tells you to do it. I don't really like it. I don't like doing it this way, but anyway, a little time consuming. So what I did was I filled the washer side with just water, didn't add any more detergent, and just letting it rinse right now. I put it on about 3 minutes. So once this is done, then I'm going to transfer this into there, and that's going to go in here. So these clothes have already been washed. They also, I think these have a little bit too much fabric softener. Not really, but I'll just go ahead and rinse it this way. So after I do that, then I want to put it in the spin dryer. I'm going to spin it. I'm not going to add any water to it because it's already being rinsed right now. So. Whoa, there we go. Beautiful. Yeah, still this little. So it is almost done. Said this is one of the best inventions ever. So go Team China for creating this. Let's brush off the dog hair. Have some dog hair. Maintenance so far has been pretty easy. I had a question about something. Someone's like broke in the back or something. They were asking me how do you take it apart in the back, and I have no clue because I just don't see myself ever having to do that, ever wanting to do that. But it's been, like I said, I've had this for about 5 months now, and one of the best purchases of my life. It's almost done. About a minute, less than a minute. And I'm gonna wipe this down because it's got fur on it and some other stuff. Almost done. Alright, it's done. That's it. There's no timer sounding, no bell, nothing. Alright, now like I said before, I'm just gonna throw these clothes in here. Gonna do that first. Just throw them in there. In. There we go. Okay. Right now, the transfer. And these are sopping wet, but that's okay. Throw that in there. Once I hit the drain, and most of this water is going to drain. That's something else I might as well tell you is if you spin this without turning it to drain first, that's when things get a little hectic. So let's remember to do that. Hold that for a second. There you go. Right in there. I think that was it. Okay. Yeah. Not detergent. Look at that. Soap. About 3 minutes. That was a little bit over 3 minutes. Who cares? 2 minutes. Let that do its thing. Alright. And we're back with the spin drying section again.